Yo, this is for my son Bizzle. Yo, Jays, let me speak to you right quick, yo. You are the truth. Yo, bro, you are the truth. Listen, listen, you are the truth. Keep doing what you're doing. Bigs up, enough respect. We out here in Brooklyn, man. We see you, baby. Yo, Bizzle, keep doing what you're doing, Jays. And I understand how it is. I understand where your walk is. I understand where your mind is. I know where your consciousness is going, G. Yo, you don't gotta say no more. I know you one of the homies. I know you one of the brothers, man. And I know God got his hand on you, son. You don't need to say no more, son. I mean, yo, listen. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't let they gonna fight you with everything they got. They gonna fight you with everything they got, Biz. But keep doing what you're doing. Don't ever stop. You know what I mean? Who job bless, no man curse. You feel what I'm saying? Don't let them stop you. Keep going. Keep going. You the truth. This is enough love coming over here. The boy Truth. Yo, you speaking the truth, Benjamin. Keep it moving. Keep it going. Spread that word, spread that message. You got a lot of people following you through your new consciousness and your new way of doing things, man. I'm telling you, your balls is really getting out there and it's really touching souls, man. I'm telling you, there's a lot of people out there who follow in Christ who's not like the traditional church. You feel what I'm saying? Yo, I'm in this for life. I'm G'd up. I'm always gonna be G'd up, and I'm G'd up for Christ. You feel what I'm saying? I'm out here and I'm working. I'm doing my movement. When we all gonna build together, we all gonna come together. We all got our different movements. You doing what you doing. God is increasing your talent. God is increasing your ability. Just keep sticking Christ and let him keep moving you, baby. Just keep doing your thing. Yo, I'm over here and I'm working hard. I'm trying to build the financial kingdom, baby. We gonna make it. We gonna make it, Biz. We gonna make it, Biz. We gonna make it, Biz. I can't stress it, man. We gonna make it, man. Listen, they gonna keep fighting you. Like I said, they gonna fight you. They gonna fight you. They gonna fight you. But don't give up. Don't let them turn. No matter how hard they try to break you down. Keep going, Biz. Yo, you got enough love coming from over here, man. New Yorkers, yo, the love in New York, we holding you down, man. We see what you talking about, man. I've been peeping this dude, Jay. He a clown, but you know what? Don't think God ain't watching. God got something for him. But you keep doing what you doing, Jay. Enough respect, enough love. Peace and love.